$525.76. But yeah, I still do live streams from the park. Just wasn't really good weather today, so I was like, screw it. I'll skip going to the park today, and I did a little bit of DoorDash delivery for a bit, and that was fun. I enjoy doing those. That way I get a little bit extra money. Been making extra money on this SBIT shit. I made a lot of extra money today, actually, on the, what's it called? The SCHX. Made a good amount of money on that shit. Now for Bitcoin to lose a little bit of steam. Will it lose any? Who knows? It needs to, though. It's funny, all these morons. And I do think that if you think that Bitcoin's a good investment, you don't understand economics. You don't understand what real money is. Look, digital currencies and physical currencies, they're all worthless. They're not backed by anything. You can argue, though, that a physical currency at least has some sort of material it's made out of. Whereas a digital currency, there's nothing there. There is nothing there. It's literally a string of data that you're paying for. You are paying for a string of data. Like, I hope to God you realize that. That's crazy, man. This Bitcoin is the greatest grift of all time. This is the .com bubble. This is the .com bubble, man. Let's see. Michael Donaldson says, "Too bad you didn't buy Tesla when I told you at 217." Last I saw. I mean, I do have exposure to Tesla through my index funds, so technically, yes, I did get into Tesla pretty early because I have like S&P 500 ETFs and stuff that have Tesla in it. So don't worry, I got into Tesla. I just didn't put a lot of money into it, obviously. It is a little surprising to see the S&P 500 basically crashing. And then you see stupid shit like Bitcoin going up. That makes zero sense. Which is proof positive we live in a world filled with dumb money. And that's just the way it is. And that's the way it is. Do you guys want to watch me take a shower? Yeah, you perverts want to watch me take a shower, don't you? Sickos. No, just kidding. I thought about doing a shower stream. That would be funny. Let's see. That's some decent gains for one. That's pretty decent gains. I will admit, you should have saw the gains I was getting when Bitcoin crashed. I actually got into the S-bit at one point and then just sold for some heavy profits. Right now, I have got unrealized losses. So the one thing that people don't realize is that just because the value of something is lower doesn't mean that you lost money. It means you lost value. Now, ultimately, you lose money if you sell, right? So if I'm at a loss of value and I sell everything that I have at a loss of value, then I've lost the money. Now, an unrealized loss doesn't always remain unrealized. Sorry, it doesn't always remain a loss. That's why it's an unrealized loss for now. If the asset that you have goes back up in price and goes over, then you never lost anything at all.